The Cooper-Bussmann Power Module Switch is an all-in-one module that allows communication with fire alarm control panels. If selecting the R2 control relay, it is important to verify the fire alarm control panel supplies separate 24 volts DC power. Cooper-Bussmann already supplies a power control transformer in every power module. The voltage will be stepped down from your incoming voltage to the needed 120 volts AC for proper shunt trip operation. Unless your elevator specifications call for the relays to be powered by 24 volts DC, most systems will use the 120 volts AC power already present in the Cooper-Bussmann power module. The most common selection is the R1 code. Do not confuse a selection of control relays with any specifications that refer to using a 24 volts DC shunt trip signal. These are two very different parts of the power module operation and a common mistake. The 120 volts AC supplied by the CPT is waiting on one side of the ice cube relay. When that relay changes state, the 120 volts are allowed to flow through the shunt trip mechanism in the main switch. Most power module units we sell utilize 120 volt relays. Your elevator specification will often call for a shunt trip signal that is powered by 24 volts DC. This is simply a signal voltage that will connect to the customer side of the connector block. This 24 volt DC signal allows the shunt trip process to take place, but does not power the relay. When in doubt, it is a good idea to ask the fire alarm control panel supplier if they have a separate 24 volt DC power supply specifically to energize the relay. If you order the power module with a 24 volt DC relay and there is no power supply, it will not function properly. This will require the installation of a separate 24 volt DC power supply in the field. If you select the R1 code, there is nothing to add. The 120 volt AC power source is factory supplied. The vast majority of power modules are ordered with the R1 code. If you have any questions, please call the application engineers of Cooper-Bussmann.